DPC_Watchdog_violation blue screen error in Windows typically occurs due to delays in the system's Deferred Procedure Call process. DPC is a mechanism used by Windows to handle lower priority tasks and schedule them for execution. When the system takes too long to handle these tasks or encounters an issue while processing them, the Watchdog timer triggers, leading to the blue screen error. Here are the main solutions: FOT error.
First, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scan now. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Yes. Type the following command and then press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired.
First, open your Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Drivers. Select Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now click on Search for updates.
Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. First, open a folder. Click on My PC. Right-click the drive you want to repair. Select Properties. Open the Tools tab. Go to the error checking section. Click on Check. Click on Scan or Repair Drive. Now your drive should be repairer. Press Close. Press OK.